During our trip to the Overland Expo, we got to tour the all-new, all-electric Lightship RV. Let's take a look inside, then we'll go through some of the specs.
So it's a travel trailer. But one very
I can open those up for you. They're all the same.
Oh, they
So
fold
they're
down.
They fold
Got it.
down, so they're held in there with pretty strong magnets.
Yes, they are.
But you got quite a bit of storage coming in here. This is your trash and recycling, and then you got more storage coming out. So this entire side over here is storage, and then over here you have some U-shaped storage. You have a pretty sizable freezer in there.
Yeah.
Then you have refrigerator with a
Nice.
second refrigerator below it. So
Nice.
most people do like drinks and then food, but you're
Right.
welcome to do whatever you like. This is one of my favorite parts of it, which is a pretty sizable dishwasher.
Dishwasher.
Yeah. So just telling her, it's actually a water-saving feature to do your dishes in the dishwasher than it is to do them in the sink. That's why we included that. Obviously your microwave and your induction cooktop.
And then, does this roof?
Put a deposit?
Yeah, so that's the cool thing about it, is that's what it looks like when you're going down the road.
Yeah, I know.
So right now it's 10 feet tall. It's going to shrink down to about 6.5 feet.
Okay.
So this ceiling here is going to drop down right to about the height of this kitchen faucet right here.
Nice. It's so cool.
Are you making
Is that the bathroom?
Yes, and that's the bathroom back here, and you're welcome to go back in there and take a peek. So that's actually our restroom back in here. So you have your toilet, you have a shower back in there, and that whole back wall opens up. So you can either have it be open air, or when it folds down, the whole back wall slides.
So your neighbors can watch you take a shower.
Your neighbors can watch you take a shower, or you can find somewhere private, and then you got a nice open air shower in the great outdoors.
The Lightship L1 has a very clean and sleek design. The new shape has smooth front edges, a tapered rear, and telescoping hard side walls. The dual mode trailer moves quickly from road mode to camp mode. The road mode has a 300 miles of electric range, a driving height of only 6 feet 9 inches, keeping a low center of gravity, and an electric drivetrain on the trailer's wheels that will bring you the most comfortable and stable towing experience possible. The solar roof and awnings are cleanly integrated, providing up to 3 kilowatts of solar power for up to 7 days of off-grid living. The L1 has all-electric appliances, always live plugs, and batteries storing up to 80 kilowatt hours of onboard energy. The Lightship L1 can sleep 4 to 6 people based on the configuration. The sofa and dining room in the front of the RV both convert into beds. The exterior length is 27 feet, the exterior height in road mode is 6 feet 9 inches, and in camp mode it's 10 feet tall with an interior height of 7 feet 6 inches. It has a gross vehicle weight of 7,500 pounds, fully loaded. There is no mention of dry weight or tank sizes on their website. The L1 Essential all-electric camping starts at $125,000. The L1 Long Range all-electric camping and drive motor starts at $151,500. Both are eligible for tax credits. Production of the Lightship L1 is expected to begin in late 2024. Please know, all the videos and images shown today contain pre-production models. The actual vehicle and specifications may change slightly. What do you think of this new style of all-electric camping?